Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. So in the previous class we wrote letter G to R. Is it? Yes. So in the today's class we'll write letter S to Z. Okay. Today we are going to write letter S to Z. Okay. So in the previous class what we wrote? Letter J to R. Is it? Yes. So now open your textbook, literacy skill book, and page number 7. And page number 7. And take out your pencil. See children, this is your page number 7. Is it? Letter S to Z. We are going to write today in the class letter S to Z. Okay. So first write the first letter of each picture. They had given the pictures. Is it? So you have to see the pictures and you have to write their first letter. Okay. Let's start. What is the first picture, children? Socks. Is it? You will wear socks? Yes. Socks. Next picture. Which picture it is? Tomato. Tomato. Is it? Yes. Next. Umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, next. Which picture it is? Which picture it is, children? Violin. Is it? Yes. Next. Which picture? Watermelon. Watermelon. Next. Xylophone. Xylophone. Yes. Next. So this is the yarn. And this picture is zebra. Is it? Yes. So we'll write the letters. You know the picture's name, no? So we'll write the letter. First letter we'll write. Okay. What is the first picture letter? Socks. Is it? Yes. So first letter is yes. So write yes. First line to second line to third line. Okay. And small s should be second line to third line like this, small. S for socks. Next. T for tomato. T for tomato. So, T should be capital. Okay, first letter. T. Sleeping line and standing line. And small t should be like this, standing line, small half curve and sleeping line. Okay. T for tomato. Okay, next. Which picture it is? Umbrella. Is it? Yes. So, U for umbrella. So, U should be like a half curve. First line to third line to first line. Half curve. Okay, small half curve should be like this, second line to third line and small like a slant. U for umbrella. So I touch the 3 lines, like this you have to write in the textbook. Okay. So next valen. So V should be capital, first line to third line to first line. Okay. And small v should be second line to third line to first line. Okay. Look at your textbook and write down in your textbook. Okay. Neatly you have to write. V for violin. So next. Which picture it is? Watermelon. Is it? Yes. So write watermelon first letter is W. So write W like standing line, first line to third line and slanting line third line to first line, again first line to third line like this, slanting. Okay, again standing line. W for watermelon. So small w should be like this, half curve, and down like this. Okay, like this you can write, otherwise like this you write. Here also standing line, slanting line, standing line, standing line, slanting line, two slanting line and two standing line. Okay, like this you can write. W for watermelon. Okay, next xylophone. X for xylophone. So X should be slanting. Okay, first line to third line, again first line to third line, like this, like cross. Okay, X for xylophone. Okay, small x should be second line to third line, like this, same small x you have to write. Okay, next yan. Is it yan? So and spelling first letter is Y. So you have to write here like this, slanting line, first line to second line, again first line to third line, like this, Y. Okay, like this you write. And small y should be half curve, first line to third line. Okay, half curve and like this, half curve. Y for yarn. Okay, next picture. Which picture it is? Zebra. Is it? Yes. So Z should be sleeping line, first line sleeping line, again slanting line and sleeping line. So first line sleeping line, first line to third line slanting line, and third line sleeping line. Okay, and small z should be like this. Same here also, in the first line to second line to third line you have to touch and you have to write sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Okay, so this is today's class we done. Is it? Yes. Letter S to Z. So we'll read the letter with picture. S for socks, T for tomato, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watermelon, X for xylophone, Y for yarn, Z for zebra. Okay, children? Yes, very good. So children, today's homework you have to write letter A to Z alphabets in the 4-line book. Okay, letter A to Z you have to write in the 4-line book. Okay, so turn the page, children. See, this is a fun time. Okay, join the dots and color the picture. So can you see in your textbook dots are there? They had given the dots, no? Yes. So you have to draw, you have to join the dots. You have to join the dots like these. Okay, after that you have to color it. So nicely you have to color and you have to send me. This is a homework. Okay, this is a homework. Page number 8 and page number 9. So this is 2 pages of homework. Coloring. Okay. So do this homework and you have to send me my WhatsApp number. Okay, children? Okay, thank you. Have a good day.